Hey guys, today we're going to convert blog to video using Pictory. We have a specific case today in which we're going to take a complex topic to make it simple using Jarvis and Pictory. So for example, we have different latch types, the ultimate guide. This is from the website accesslocklv.com. This is a website I'm working on. And the topic is just complex. It's not for the average reader. It's for a locksmith. So door latch, deadbolt latch, sliding bolt latch, magnetic latch, electric slide. I mean, you get the point. So in your own cases, you might be writing about medical, law, a specific plant. So, it's not for everybody, but say you want it for everybody, you can use Jarvis and Pictory. Let me go here for a second and show you this. The reading level of a blog. As a general rule of thumb, we aim for a reading level of grade 8, which is the level of 14 or 15-year-old, to ensure that a wide audience can understand our content. We can focus on grade 10 for ebooks and grade 12 for white papers. Let's see what they're saying here. What reading level should you write for? What readability level do best-selling authors write for? According to George Clare, a key researcher and writer on the topic of readability, most popular novels are written at a 7th grade reading level. Right? I believe I read a while back that most newspapers are at 6th grade level. So that's where we're at. Let's see, this 14 to 15-year-old grade level is 15-year-olds are 10, 14-year-olds are grade 9, and we'll need this information for explain it to a child in Jasper. So that's over here. Output grade level, you can change these values over here. So let's change that to, what'd you say, 7? So yeah, I mean, you can just change that around to whatever you want. So let's go back here and take this complicated blog and let's make it less complicated. So, we can post it on Facebook, or we can post it even on LinkedIn. If they're saying that newspapers and so on are, at the grade level of a 7th and 8th grade level, then let's make it less complicated. All right, so put that there and generate AI content. And already we got a less complicated version, 3 different versions. Whoa, let me go back. Okay. There are many different types of latches available on the market today. Choosing the right one for your needs can be a difficult task. This guide will help you understand the different types of latches and what their benefits are. All right, so I mean, this one's great up till here. It cut off, but let's go down and see. But as you can see, it's a lot simpler, right, than this. Is mounted to the door frame and the catch is mounted to the door. That's all complicated. We want to make this simple for our video. So I already did it here. Let's go back and do it again. Let's go here. And what we're using is script to video. Script to video, proceed. We're going to just input, press proceed. Just wait. And there you go. We have the scenes on the left-hand side, the text, and our video on the right. And of course, we're going to change these images because they're not appropriate, but that's not the point of this video. I'll upload my own because this doesn't work here. But the point that I wanted to get across is we're taking a complex blog and we're making it simpler for the average reader, in which we can gain a broader audience. Let's press preview. Let's see what we got. Alright, so it's definitely going to look better when we upload the images of our own, and I'll probably put that on top of the blog post. You know, it's a nice introduction, a nice simple introduction. I'll throw it up on YouTube, post it on LinkedIn, and Facebook as well. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, we were talking about taking a complex blog and making it simpler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.